Looks like it's my doctor day. I was scared, but that's okay. A little pinch, a tiny pop, then I get a lollipop. Time for a shot, it's really quick. In no time I'll feel just slick. Mommy smiles and says all done. Now I'm strong, that wasn't fun. Everybody gets their turn to stay healthy, safe and firm. A little pinch, that's all you see. Now I'm brave as I can be. Mommy, Daddy, I can't sleep. There's a monster taking peep. Look behind the curtain, see. It's just my teddy smiling at me. Monsters, ghosts, and dinos too. All our dreams that are untrue. Close your eyes, the stars will peep. Hug your blankie, go to sleep. Good night, moon and stars so bright. Dream of rainbows through the night. Mom and Dad are always near. Sweet dreams now, no need to fear. Farmer Finn had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. A moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, sounds everywhere. Farmer Finn had a pig so P-I-O. An oink oink here and an oink oink there. In the mud they love to play. Oink all morning, sleep all day. Farmer Finn had a bunch of chicks. A cheep cheep here and a cheep cheep there. Here they run and jump so high, chirping songs beneath the sky. It's bubble time, splash splash splash. Rub-a-dub-dub and water dash. Wash my hands, my face, my nose. Pop the bubbles as it flows. Scrub my tummy, knees and toes. Shiny clean from head to toes. Bubbles up, we laugh and play. Clean and bright to start the day. Bath time fun, hooray, hooray. Shiny, happy, splash all day. Rub-a-dub, the bubbles sing. Clean up time is everything. Baby shark swims fast and free, waving fins so happily. Mommy shark swims side by side in the ocean, big and wide. Daddy shark is strong and kind, keeping everyone in line. Grandma shark with shiny grin sings, let's play and splash right in. Ocean friends all shout hooray. Let's swim, laugh and splash today. Underwater we all play. Happy Sharky Family Day. 5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack quack quack, but only 4 came waddling back. 4, 3, 2, then just 1. Mama missed her little ones. Daddy duck called quack quack quack, and 5 came home all back to the pack. They hugged and danced beside the stream. Happy quacks and sunny gleam. Family love is what they found. Together safe, home and sound.